Hello everybody. In today's video, what I'm going to be doing is a test to find out if some of my videos could be doing better or if they're doing perfectly fine right now by doing an A/B test. Basically what that means is I'm going to switch the original stuff that's up there. Maybe I'll change the thumbnail and do a new thumbnail, or maybe I'll do a thumbnail plus the title, tags, things like that, and see if it helps my video get further out there, gets more attention, helps get more clicks so people can watch. So the only place I can actually do that right now is on TubeBuddy, because YouTube, you're not going to find that on YouTube itself. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and go through this right now. I'm already on TubeBuddy, but if you don't have TubeBuddy yet and you would like to try this out for yourself, they are doing a 7-day free trial for the Legend license. So look in the description or look in the comment section. I'll have the link posted. If you are on YouTube and you're trying to figure out how you can get to TubeBuddy, sign in, you'll have this little extension right here once you actually install it, and then you can go to, instead of extension tools, you want to go to website tools, and you got A/B test right here. From here you can see I got my most recent uploads, so I want to go ahead and choose one. I'm going to go ahead and choose get more, increase my engagement. So you can see right here it says, what type of A/B test would you like to run? Would you like to do a thumbnail click-through rate test, or would you like to do a metadata test? In which case I can go ahead and still do my thumbnail as well, but it'll also give me the option to go ahead and change the title, description, and tags if I want to do all those. It also has a warning right here. It says if testing more than one aspect of a video, it can be unclear which change actually affected the results, and even more so, changes to your title, description, or tags will cause your video to temporarily drop out of the search results for minutes to hours while YouTube re-indexes it, and it can be detrimental to high performing videos. This does not happen with thumbnail tests, so make sure that this is something that you want to do. I know it's something I know it's something I want to do because my stuff ain't high performing right now. So let's go ahead and go click on that. And the next thing is, how long would you like your test to run for? You can do a set number of days, or you can do the run a run until click-through rate is statistically significant. And what that means is basically you're going to run it until they see a big, you're going to run this test until there is some type of significant difference for the test to actually be able to go ahead and say, okay, one of these are absolutely better than the other one. So with that being said, I'm just going to go ahead and go with the statistically significant, and I'm going to go select that and press continue. So first thing I want to do is go ahead and go to the thumbnail. If I don't want to change the thumbnail, I can just leave it as is and just hit continue. But since I do have a thumbnail I want to go ahead and try out, let me go ahead and do that. Switch this to increase engagement, and I'm going to go use, they're close, but they're not the exact same. So let's go ahead and press continue. Now for the test the tags, you can see that I ain't really got too many tags over here. YouTube says that tags really don't influence stuff anymore, but it can never hurt to go ahead and add more tags just to see. I mean, any little bit helps. So let's go ahead and add a few in here, get more comments. You can also see I got a few of these that make no sense, like BuzzFeed tasty. So either way, it doesn't matter. Got some long tail tags, go ahead, throw those in there. That's good enough. Let's go to continue. Now we're going to test the title. This can increase your engagement on YouTube. I'm going to switch that to something completely different. So let's go to something a little more clickbaity, and go to paste in this, get viewers hooked. All right, so still it's 68 out of 100, still good. Which one sounds better already? This can increase your engagement on YouTube or get viewers hooked. I ain't got 10 powerful tips, so I got more like 4. So let me go ahead and put 4 up there. It might be 5, but I ain't gonna put 5. So let's go ahead and continue. Next one is test the description. Okay, so this is the last thing I got to put up here. As you can see, you got 5,000 characters that you could put in here. I'm not even using half of them, so I'm going to go ahead and use about half of them now because I got me a nice little description to go ahead and put in here. So now everything's done, and I can go ahead and start the test. It's confirming. The test changes will be applied to your video at midnight specific time in order to line up with YouTube analytics data. It will then alternate between the test and original every 24 hours while the test is running. Thumbnail, tags, title, description. It says good luck, and I'm going to go ahead and start the test. So you can see that we have finished the A/B test. Right now, you can see on the left, it says the status is scheduled for tomorrow, cycles once per day, and it will run until a statistical significance is achieved. Once again, the cycling once per day means that the original is going to go up first, and then after 24 hours, the varied title, tags, so on, will be up next. So Monday, the original; Tuesday, the new one; Wednesday, the original; Thursday, the new one, so on and so forth until TubeBuddy figures out, okay, this one is definitely doing better than the other. And here are the results. I won't know exactly what it is that's going to make one better than the other because I've changed up so much, but that is okay because as long as one is doing significantly better than the other, that's all I care about. And hopefully the new one is doing significantly better than the old one because, in all honesty, the old one is not getting enough views, which is why I decided to do this test in the first place. I will be doing several more tests, probably at least 10, and I'll show all of them off, or at least a significant amount of them off in another video to be like, hey, this is something worth trying out. I also want to go ahead and say that if you haven't seen my other video about Gemini, the AI tool, then I would suggest you check it out because I got my new title and description from there, and that was my first time ever using it. So I gotta say that it was something. So not gonna, I got something out of it, right? So check it out. Also, if you are trying to do some A/B tests on your own, check out in the comment section, the description box. I'll have a link to TubeBuddy because they're doing a 7-day free trial for the Legend license. And you can, within those 7 days, you can figure out whether or not you want to do the A/B test on your own, whether or not it's something you want to keep, something you want to just go ahead and just do for that 7 days and just get rid of it. But TubeBuddy also have other features only for the Legend license, and I'll get to those too. So with all that being said, that's all I want to talk about for today. Hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, I want you to leave a like, comment, maybe subscribe. If you are new to the channel and you want to see more things like this, let me know in the comment section, and I will see y'all in the next one.